Welcome to the dynamic world of cybersecurity. Regardless of your tech background, there's a welcoming spot for everyone. This video is dedicated to unraveling cybersecurity fundamentals distinctly apart from ethical hacking or other cybersecurity specialties. Before we continue, let's clarify the distinction between cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and other cybersecurity specialties. Cybersecurity focuses on defending digital data from cyber attacks, forming a pivotal pillar within the broader domain of information security which aims to safeguard all data, whether digital or physical, from unauthorized access. On the other hand, ethical hacking is a specialized practice within cybersecurity aimed at discovering vulnerabilities from a malicious hacker's viewpoint to better secure systems. Other specialties within cybersecurity may focus on network security, cloud security, or incident response, each with unique practices and methodologies. Now, with a clearer understanding, let's delve into your structured roadmap toward mastering the core fundamentals of cybersecurity. The world of cybersecurity offers a wide range of diverse pathways to explore. Some folks start with formal education, others transition with their existing job experience, and some kickstart their journey with certifications. CompTIA Security Plus Certified Ethical Hacker, ISC2 System Security Certified Practitioner, and ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity can be beneficial stepping stones in your career. However, it's crucial to remember that experience and honed skills are often valued over a lengthy list of certifications. Platforms like tryhackme offer a mix of theory and hands-on learning, which is a great way to build a strong foundation in cybersecurity principles, no matter where you're coming from. Now, onto the technical core. Whether you aim to be a tech whiz or a cybersecurity manager, a solid grasp of the technical basics is crucial. It helps you understand the cyber landscape, the risks involved, and how to talk the tech talk even in managerial or governance roles. Networking. Start by exploring how data zips across the internet and get familiar with the basics of network security. Systems administration. Get your hands dirty with managing different operating systems, user accounts, and file permissions. Dive into core utilities and shell environments like PowerShell for Windows or Bash for Unix-based systems. They're your toolkit for system interaction, automation, and troubleshooting. Take advantage of log management utilities like Windows Event Viewer or syslog in Unix-based systems. They're your pals for monitoring and troubleshooting. Soft skills are your silent allies. Effective communication, problem-solving, and a hunger for learning are key, whether you're tech-savvy or not. Dive deeper into essential cybersecurity domains like identity and access management, cryptography, cloud security, and threat exposure management, or TEM. Now, you might wonder, what's this threat exposure management? Well, it's not just a fancy phrase. Unlike traditional vulnerability management, which reacts after vulnerabilities are discovered, TEM adopts a proactive approach. It spots the threats that exploit these vulnerabilities, understands the exposure level, and takes action to manage these exposures, reducing risks before they hit hard. Alright, let's focus on something we often overlook. Digital self-defense. The fundamentals? Strong passwords. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, aiming for at least 8 to 12 characters. For an added layer of protection, modern authentication methods like two-factor authentication or 2FA and biometric authentication are increasingly common. 2FA adds a second verification step through your mobile device, while biometric authentication uses unique physical traits like fingerprints or facial recognition. Update passwords regularly and never reuse them across different accounts for optimum security. Next, keep your software updated. Outdated software is a goldmine for hackers, so ensure you're running the latest versions. Consider a VPN for secure browsing, especially on public Wi-Fi. It encrypts your data, making it harder for anyone to eavesdrop. And lastly, be aware of phishing scams. Always double-check URLs and email senders. When in doubt, don't click. There you have it. Your comprehensive yet concise guide to basic digital self-defense. Implement these tips and consider yourself better protected online. A touch of programming can go a long way. Starting with a friendly language like Python is a good call. Resources like Code Academy or Free Code Camp are there to guide you, regardless of your tech background. Just learn the fundamentals of programming. Remember, the goal is not to become a coder in one night. Get your hands dirty with practical experience. Virtual labs using virtualization technologies such as VirtualBox, VMware, or Hyper-V provide a safe environment to apply what you've learned and experiment in real-world scenarios. As you delve deeper into the cybersecurity field, you may discover a niche that captivates your interest. For instance, you might find yourself drawn to penetration testing, where you uncover and exploit system weaknesses to strengthen security measures, often utilizing tools like Metasploit and frameworks like OWASP. Alternatively, security analysis could pique your interest. In this realm, you examine security measures, identify potential threats, and recommend enhancements, with tools like Wireshark and Nessus aiding in vulnerability scanning and network analysis. Incident response is another enticing domain where managing and mitigating security incidents to prevent further damage is critical. Engaging in forensic analysis to understand the incident's scope and impact is a crucial part of this niche. Then there's compliance and auditing, ensuring organizational practices adhere to legal and regulatory requirements such as GDPR or HIPAA, and conducting audits to identify compliance gaps. And the exploration doesn't end here. Specialized certifications like Offensive Security's OSCP for penetration testing or ISACA's CISA for auditing can help you dive deeper into these niches, bolstering your expertise and marketability in the cybersecurity arena. Immerse yourself in the cybersecurity community by engaging in professional groups such as ISACA or ISC2. Participating in online forums like Reddit's r/NetSec or Stack Exchange's information security community can provide many insights and discussions on cybersecurity issues. Additionally, attending industry events and conferences like Black Hat or DEF CON will not only broaden your horizons but also provide opportunities to network with seasoned professionals and stay updated on the latest trends and threats. By actively partaking in these communities and events, you deepen your knowledge, expand your network, and keep your finger on the pulse of the ever-evolving cybersecurity landscape. The cybersecurity landscape constantly evolves, making it crucial to stay updated on the latest threats, technologies, and best practices. One way to do this is by enrolling in foundational courses on platforms like Coursera, where courses like Foundations of Cybersecurity or Introduction to Cybersecurity Foundations offer a solid grounding in cybersecurity essentials. Additionally, engaging in hands-on learning platforms like tryhackme can enhance your practical skills by providing real-world scenarios to test and expand your knowledge. By combining theoretical knowledge from courses with practical skills acquired from platforms like tryhackme, you equip yourself with a well-rounded understanding of the cybersecurity domain. Let's pivot to a topic that's the cornerstone of cybersecurity but often overlooked: the importance of ethical and legal practices. Why should you care? Let's dive in. First up, trust and integrity. Cybersecurity isn't just tech magic, it's about maintaining users' trust in digital platforms. Ethical practices serve as your moral GPS. Next is regulatory compliance. Ignorance of the law isn't an excuse. Failing to comply can lead to fines and damage to your reputation. So, know the legal landscape. Then there's preventing unintended harm. Even good intentions can backfire if you act without ethical guidance. Always think before you act. Lastly, social responsibility. Your actions in cybersecurity have ripple effects that can impact society. Being ethical and legal isn't just good practice, it's your duty. In a nutshell, ethical and legal understanding isn't optional in cybersecurity, it's essential. It keeps you on the right path and ensures your actions benefit, not harm, society at large. Embarking on a cybersecurity career is a thrilling voyage filled with endless learning and intriguing challenges. This roadmap is your companion, designed to ease your transition into the cybersecurity domain, tech-savvy or not. Until our next session, stay curious, stay secure, and keep on learning.